Unlock the full power of Nano Banana Pro without spending a dime, and I'll show you exactly how in this quick tutorial. Step 1. Explore the official Nano Banana website for any active free trial. Offers many premium services like Nano Banana Pro, provide a limited-time free access to their enhanced features, allowing you to test drive all the capabilities. Look for banners or sections clearly indicating a trial period, often accompanied by a sign-up button for immediate access. Next, keep a keen eye on Nano Banana's social media channels and official blog. Companies frequently announce limited-time promotional offers, including expanded trial periods or even temporary full access codes. Through these platforms, following them and engaging with their content can put you first in line for these exclusive opportunities. Another avenue to consider is eligibility for special programs. Nano Banana Pro might offer complimentary or discounted access to specific groups. This could include students, educators, or nonprofit organizations. Check their website's dedicated sections for education, community, or partnerships to see if you qualify for any ongoing initiatives that grant free or significantly reduced access. Once you've identified a suitable method, a circumflex euros, be it a trial, promotion, or eligible program, a circumflex euros. The final step is to follow the instructions precisely. This usually involves signing up with your details, verifying your eligibility if required, and then activating your free access. Make sure to note down any expiration dates for trials or promotions so you can fully utilize the period provided. By following these steps, you can legally and effectively enjoy the premium features of Nano Banana Pro without any cost, at least for the duration of these special offers. Happy exploring!